From the ancient mariners who navigated by the stars to the state-of-the-art satellites that orbit Earth today, the vastness of space has always fascinated humanity. Space exploration isn't just about astronauts, rockets, or distant planets. It's a story of human curiosity, of our innate desire to understand our place in the cosmos, and to reach out to the unknown. As we stand on the cusp of interplanetary travel and colonization, let's journey back to the roots of our cosmic endeavors and trace our steps from stargazing civilizations to the modern pioneers who push the boundaries of the final frontier. The space race during the Cold War, culminating in the moon landing in 1969. Amidst geopolitical tensions, the US and the USSR embarked on a competition to dominate outer space. This era saw groundbreaking achievements, including the first human in space, Yuri Gagarin, 1961, and the monumental Apollo 11 mission where Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the moon. The establishment of space agencies like NASA and Roscosmos. Formed in 1958, NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, became the forefront of the US's space endeavors. In contrast, the USSR's space program, initially led by various organizations, eventually coalesced into Roscosmos, in the post-Soviet era. Key missions such as the Hubble Space Telescope and Mars rovers. Launched in 1990, the Hubble telescope has transformed our understanding of the cosmos, capturing breathtaking images and data of distant galaxies, stars, and black holes. Mars rovers like Sojourner, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance have explored the Martian terrain, seeking evidence of past life and preparing for potential human missions. Tragedies including the Challenger and Columbia shuttle disasters. Space exploration is fraught with risks. The Challenger explosion in 1986 just after launch and the Columbia disaster during re-entry in 2003 serve as somber reminders of the dangers astronauts face. Both accidents led to significant design, policy, and operational changes in subsequent missions. The rise of private space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin. The 21st century has seen a surge in commercial entities participating in space exploration. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, and Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, are at the forefront. Their goals range from commercial satellite launches and resupplying the International Space Station to ambitious objectives like colonizing Mars. The International Space Station, ISS, as a symbol of international cooperation. Launched in 1998, the ISS is a joint project among NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, European Space Agency, JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, and CSA, Canadian Space Agency. It serves as a microgravity research laboratory, and a testament to peaceful international collaboration in space. Advancements in satellite technology and their impact on daily life. Satellites play crucial roles in communication, GPS, weather forecasting, and Earth observation, influencing everything from smartphone navigation to climate change studies. The Voyager missions and the quest for interstellar exploration. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft have surpassed our solar system, sending back invaluable data about outer planets and venturing into interstellar space. Plans for the manned exploration of Mars and beyond. Agencies and private entities have set sights on the red planet. Preparations are underway, with hopes of humans stepping on Mars within this century. The role of space exploration in the search for extraterrestrial life. Through missions to Mars, icy moons like Europa, and space telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists aim to answer the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? The dawn of the space age, before the space race, in 1957, the USSR launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. This event triggered a new era of technological advancements and ushered in the space age. The space race during the Cold War, both the US and the USSR sought to showcase their technological prowess during this time. Key milestones included the first woman in space, Valentina Tereshkova, 1963, and the US Skylab space station, 1973 to 1979. The establishment of space agencies, in addition to NASA and Roscosmos, other nations also founded their space agencies, such as ESA, European Space Agency, in 1975 and ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, in 1969, with the latter achieving significant feats including the Mars Orbiter mission in 2014. Key missions and telescopes, beyond Hubble, other significant telescopes like the Chandra X-ray Observatory have unveiled the mysteries of the universe. Missions such as Voyager, Pioneer, and New Horizons have expanded our understanding of the solar system. Tragedies in space exploration. Apart from the Challenger and Columbia disasters, the USSR faced its own tragedies, like the Soyuz 11 incident in 1971 where cosmonauts lost their lives during re-entry. The rise of private space companies. Other companies like Virgin Galactic and Rocket Lab have also begun to make strides in space tourism and satellite launches, democratizing space access. The International Space Station, ISS. The ISS has hosted astronauts from over 18 countries, serving as a beacon of hope and international unity above Earth. Satellite technology and daily life. New innovations, such as microsatellites and the Starlink project, seek to provide global internet coverage, revolutionizing connectivity. The Voyager missions. Beyond exploring outer planets, Voyager 1's golden record encapsulates sounds and images of Earth, intended for any extraterrestrial life or future humans who might find them. Manned exploration ambitions. Moon missions are making a comeback, with plans for lunar bases as stepping stones for deeper space exploration, such as NASA's Artemis program. The search for extraterrestrial life, SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, has been using radio telescopes to search for signals, while telescopes like TESS, Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, look for exoplanets that could harbor life. The debate and ethics of space colonization. As plans for Mars colonization emerge, there's an increasing discussion about the ethics and implications of human settlement on other celestial bodies, respecting cosmic habitats, and the socio-political implications of off-Earth colonies. Ancient observations. Long before telescopes, ancient civilizations like the Babylonians, Mayans, and Greeks meticulously observed the night sky. They charted stars, planets, and identified patterns, now known as constellations, to aid navigation and timekeeping. Aristotelian cosmology. Aristotle, in ancient Greece, posited a geocentric universe, where Earth sat unmoving at the center, surrounded by concentric celestial spheres carrying the stars and planets. Copernican revolution. Nicholas Copernicus, in the 16th century, challenged geocentric views with his heliocentric model, suggesting the Sun, not the Earth, was the center of the known universe. Telescope revolution. Galileo Galilei, using an early telescope in the 17th century, made groundbreaking observations. He saw Jupiter's moons, strengthening the case for the heliocentric model, and uncovered the rough surface of the Moon, challenging prevailing beliefs of a perfect celestial sphere. Kepler's laws. Johannes Kepler proposed 3 laws of planetary motion that described the elliptical orbits of planets around the Sun, moving away from perfect circles. Newtonian physics. Isaac Newton's law of universal gravitation described how bodies in space interacted, laying groundwork for future space travel concepts. Modern observatories. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, observatories equipped with larger telescopes began dissecting the cosmos, discovering distant galaxies, nebulae, and establishing modern astrophysics. Rocketry pioneers. Konstantin Tsiolkovsky and Robert H. Goddard in the early 20th century set the foundations of astronautics. They proposed multi-stage rockets, and discussed the potential of human spaceflight. Space Age Dawn, the V-2 rocket, developed by Nazi Germany during World War II, became the first human-made object to reach the edge of space. Post-war, both the US and the USSR utilized German rocket engineers to advance their own programs. Theoretical foundations. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity reshaped understanding of space, time, and gravity, which has significant implications for understanding black holes, cosmic radiation, and interstellar travel. Exploring other worlds. In addition to human spaceflight, robotic missions to Venus, Mars, and outer planets in the 20th century revealed diverse, richly complex worlds and deepened the quest for life beyond Earth. Modern astronomy and cosmology. With tools like the Very Large Telescope, scientists are probing dark matter, dark energy, and the very origins of the universe. Observations from satellites like WMAP and Planck provide insights into the Big Bang and the universe's infancy. The quest to understand and explore space is a testament to humanity's unyielding spirit. It's a tale of triumphs, tragedies, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we look up at the stars, we're reminded that the universe is vast, filled with mysteries yet to be unraveled. Whether we're reaching for the moon, Mars, or beyond, space exploration underscores our potential as a species to dream, discover, and dare the impossible. The cosmos awaits, and the next chapters in our interstellar saga are yet to be written.